Hello student. Last lecture we take the example based on the Cramer's rule for the two system have the two equation with two variables. Now try some another method. Let's revise what pattern is there. A1x plus b1y equal to c1. A2x plus b2y is equal to c2, where a1 a2 are lies in a column x column, b1 b2 lies in a y column, and c1 c2 lies in a constant column. From Cramer's rule, the main thing is that x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy by d. So let us try the same system of equations solving the Cramer's rule, but another method. That is what? In x is equal to, we have in a system a1 a2, b1 b2 and c1 c2. In a Cramer's rule, instead of x variable, we have to put c1 and c2 and b1 b2 remain as the same. So c1 c2 b1 b2 and our d is a1 b1 a2 b2. Same trick apply for the y variables. We have to define. Instead of now to find the value of y, b1, b2, we have to put c1, c2 and a1, a2 remain as the same. That is y is equal to a1, c1, a2, c2 and d remain as the same a1, b1, a2, b2. These are the variables of x and y in both the equations. Be clear about that a1, b1, a2, b2 not equal to 0. To solving these numerator and denominator simultaneously, we have the c1 b1 c2 b2 cross multiplication, that is c1 into b2 minus c2 into b1. For a1 c1 a2 c2 is obviously a1 c2 and a2 c1. For a1 b1 a2 b2 we have to take the cross multiplication a1 into b2 b1 into a2. Always remind that x is equal to dx upon d, y is equal to dy by d, and our P system is in this pattern. Let us take the example based on such system. What is that given? Using Cramer's rule, 4x minus 3y is equal to minus 6, minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. So, our d is what? 4 minus 3 minus 3 plus 2. So we should write in a denominator. Why? Because x is equal to dx upon d. And dx is defined. Instead of 4 and minus 3, we have to put minus 6 and 5. So minus 6 and 5, we derive minus 3 and 2 remain as the same. Taking the cross multiplication of the diagonal element, minus 6 into 2, minus remains same, minus 3 into 5. Same trick follow for the 4 minus 3 minus 3 2, 4 into 2, minus 3 into minus 3, but middle sign is same. Simplification now, minus 6 into 2, minus 12 and minus 3 into 5, minus 15, but minus minus become plus. That's why we write here plus 15. Same trick follow for the 4 into 2, minus 3 into minus 3, it is obviously minus but become plus 9. But plus instead of minus symbol is there, so we should write 8 minus 9. So we derive 3 upon minus 1. Any denominator number have negative, then you should write minus 3 for the numerator also. Same trick follow for the y is equal to dy by d. D is constant, so I put the value direct is minus 1. And what is the value of d? D is what? Is dx, dy is what? The coefficient. Instead of y we have to put minus 6 and 5. So I write here minus 6 and 5 and 4 and minus 3 remain as the same. So 4 into 5 minus 6 into minus 3 upon minus 1. Minus 6 into minus 3 plus 18, but instead of minus sign is there, so 20 minus 18 upon minus 1. So we have the 20 minus 18 is 2. 2 upon minus 1 is minus 2. So we derive the x and y values is -3 and -2. For revision for the Cramer's rule of the two equation, I introduce here once again. Cramer's rule can be expanded to cover 3 by 3 system, but Cramer's rule for the two equations a1x plus b1y plus is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. For finding x, we put instead of the a1 a2, what is the c1 c2 b1 b2. Instead of the d, what is we have to introduce here is what we have to take the d is the a1 b1 a2 and b2. Same trick follow for the y variable, it is dy by d, but instead of y we have to dy, we have to put instead of b1 b2 we have to should keep the c1 c2 and a1 a2 remain as the same, and d is what a1 b1 a2 b2. The following system of the equation solved by this way. If d not equal to 0, then system has a unique solution. If d is equal to 0, no numerator is 0, then the system is inconsistent. If d is equal to 0 and at least one numerator is 0, then the system may be inconsistent or dependent. These are the properties in detail in a chapter of determinant, that is use of the Cramer's rule. We have the solving the system. D not equal to 0 means the given system have unique solution, and D is equal to 0 and no numerator is 0. That means you have to D not equal to 0. Then system is inconsistent. But D is equal to 0. Obviously system is inconsistent or dependent on the another system. So it is the revision for the Cramer's rule by substitution of the constant instead of x, instead of y, in x is equal to dx upon d, y is equal to dy by d. So we better understand from this. Now we start the new topic, that is Cramer's rule for 3 equation in 3 variables. What is the 3 equation and 3 variables? a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to d2. a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3. Where a1, a2, a3 lies in a column of x, b1, b2, b3 lies in a column of y, c1, c2, c3 lies in a column of z, and we have new constant of the column d1, d2 and d3. So that means x, y, z 3 variables are there and 3 equations are there. Which are they? a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3. So we better understand the system of this equation. Now one by one step we have to solve the dx, dy and all these things. How? We have the system of equation a1 x plus b1y plus c1 equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3. Now I want to find the d, taking the coefficient of x column, coefficient of y column and coefficient of z column, that is a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. We have to solve the given determinant have the order 3 by 3. So we have to fix a1, b1, c1 and we have to skip first row, first column. We derive b2, c2, b3, c3. To find b1, skip column number 2 and row number 1, a2, c2, a3, c3, a2, c3 and a3, c3. Now to derive the column number last, c1, though we have to skip this and we have to skip row 1. So we derive a2, b2, a3, b3. Then we have to take the cross multiplication and we derive the final answer of d. So it is for evaluating d value by the system of 3 Cramer's rule equations. So how to find dx? Now instead of the a1, a2, a3, we have to put d1, d2, d3, and b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3 remain as the same. Same system follow. We have to keep the same step, 3 by 3 order determinant, that is d1 minus b1 and c1, and if we have to keep the first row and first column, so b2 c2 b3 c3 b2 c2 b3 c3. Same for the second column, first row a1 c2, and then what is the d3 c3. Next one, c1 column we have to skip, d2 b2 d3 b3. So same trick follow for the dy. Instead of now to find y, instead of the b1, b2, b3, we have to put d1, d2, d3. Remaining column same, a1, a2, a3, c1, c2, c3. So we have to apply the same procedure. a1 is here, d1 is here, and c1 is here. So what is the remaining term? If we have to skip first column and the first row, then d2, c2, d3, c3. We have to skip the column number 1. No, row number 1 and column number 2. Then A2 C2, A3 C3, and the first row and last column A2 D2, A3 D3. To derive the dz, instead of z coefficient, we have to put, instead of, what are the coefficient of that? C1 C2 C3. Instead of C1 C2 C3, we have to put D1 D2 D3, the constant available in a right hand side. Same procedure is applied now. A1 remain as the same, B1 is here and D1 is here. So we have to take the which variable? We have to skip first row, first column, that is B1 D2 B3 D3. We have to skip now B1, and these we have to derive what is the value. Instead of b1 you should write here, so a2 d2 a3 d3, and the last one, instead of d1 and first row and last column a2 b2 a3 b3. After deriving all the values, our d is in a pattern of a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3. dx in a pattern of d1 d2 d3 b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3. dy a1 a2 a3 d1 d2 d3 c1 c2 c3, and the dz a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3 d1 d2 d3. All these dx, dy, dz and derived by the previous step, same the value of the determinant of order 3 by 3. Our important step is step number 6 now. X is equal to dx upon d, y is equal to dy by d, and z is equal to dz upon d. So in this throughout procedure we understand the x is equal to, once again I utilize that and highlight also again, d is equal to a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3, but dx is d1 d2 d3 b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3, but dy a1 a2 a3 remain same, d1 d2 d3 c1 c2 c3, dz a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3 and d1 d2 d3, and we derive x is equal to dx upon d, y is equal to dy by d, z is equal to dz upon d. Same trick I highlight here with the d1 d2 d3 with blue color to consider the position of the dx, dy and dz. Let us try the example based on these. So we have to must verify the given example have three system, means what? Three equation with three variable. Variable most probably are in the form of x, y, z, and coefficient are in the form of a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3, and the constant are d1, d2, d3. Our first part is what? We have to consider the 1, 8 minus 2 is our d1, d2, d3. Fix that a1, a2, a3 is 2, 1, 3. b1, b2, b3 is 1, 2 minus 1. c1, c2, c3 1 minus 1, 1,